Hi, today I'm going to talk about hysterectomies. It means removal of your uterus. After cesarean section, it's one of the most common surgeries which is performed in women worldwide. But despite of that, there are a lot of myths and misinformation online that goes around. Today I'm going to debunk a few myths which commonly surround hysterectomies. Number one is that hysterectomies make you get your menopause. This is an absolute myth. Of course, a hysterectomy will stop you from getting your periods because essentially you're removing the uterus. Menopause comes only if your ovaries are removed. In most of the hysterectomies, if there's no indication to remove the ovaries, they are preserved. So the ovaries will continue secreting the hormone as well as progesterone, which will supply the hormones in your body and will not lead you to get your menopause. Number two is that hysterectomies cause you to gain weight. There is no relation with hysterectomy and your body gaining weight. Of course, the weight gain may come from other factors such as your metabolism becoming slower, and it's possible that the process of the post-op recovery where you are resting may be the causative factor why you are gaining weight. Number three is the recovery after hysterectomy is painful and a very lengthy procedure. So let me tell you that these days most of the hysterectomies are done laparoscopically, that is via keyhole surgeries, are relatively painless, and you're on your feet literally the next day after your surgery. The recovery is much faster. Of course, you can expect to be slow down for the first couple of weeks, but there is no bed rest required as such. You would be having mild pain and slight discomfort for maximum about a week to 2 weeks, but after that you're as good as before. There may be some restrictions such as lifting heavy weights, that is 10 kg or more, bending down too frequently. More or less your life remains the same. Another common myth is that a hysterectomy will affect your sex life and your sex drive. This is also a myth. In a hysterectomy, we remove the uterus, we remove the cervix, which is the mouth of the uterus projecting into the vagina. But the vagina remains unchanged. There is no study which says that a hysterectomy can affect your sex life, especially if you're not removing the ovaries to affect your hormones. In fact, a lot of women who suffer from painful periods or pelvic pain will find symptoms have suddenly disappeared after your hysterectomy, which may make you feel much more healthy and may even improve your sex life. Common myth is that it will make you age faster. So that's also a myth. There is no correlation of your uterus and your body's aging process, which is natural and it has a natural curve. No correlation of hysterectomy.